Welcome. In this video, we will explore essential best practices for building high quality, maintainable, and scalable ASP.NET Core applications. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these tips will help you improve your code and development processes. Let us start with the project structure. A well-organized project is crucial for maintainability. Follow a consistent naming convention and group related files logically. Consider using future folders to separate concerns. Dependency injection is fundamental in ASP.NET Core. It promotes loose coupling, testability, and maintainability. Use constructor injection to inject dependencies into your classes. This makes your code more flexible and easier to test. Embrace asynchronous programming. Using async and await prevents blocking threads, improving the responsiveness of your application, especially when dealing with the I/O bound operations like database calls or API requests. Robust error handling and logging are crucial for debugging and monitoring. Use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions gracefully. Implement a logging framework to record detailed information about errors and application events. This helps in identifying and resolving issues quickly. Security is paramount. Always validate user inputs to prevent injection attacks. Implement secure authentication and authorization mechanisms. Use HTTPs to encrypt communication between the client and server. Stay updated on the latest security vulnerabilities and patches. Efficient data access is key. Consider using an object relational mapper ORM like Entity Framework Core. Use repositories or unit of work patterns to abstract database interactions and improve testability. Manage your application's configuration effectively. Use appsettings.json for storing configuration settings. Utilize environment-specific configuration files for different deployment environments, development, staging, production. Thorough testing is essential. Write unit tests to verify the correctness of individual components. Use integration tests to test the interaction between different parts of your application. Consider end-to-end test to ensure the entire system works as expected. Maintain a consistent code style throughout your project. Use a code formatter to ensure consistent formatting. Follow clear naming conventions to improve readability and maintainability. Implement a CI/CD pipeline to automate the build, testing, and deployment process. This speeds up development, reduces errors, and ensures consistent deployments. Following these best practices will help you build robust, maintainable, and scalable ASP.NET Core applications. Remember to prioritize security, testing, and maintainability throughout the development lifecycle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ASP.NET Core tutorials.